In this VUE video, we will be showing how to add symmetry when placing brackets. Keep in mind that in most situations, brackets are less noticeable when clothes are hung. VUE standard installation rules require shelf brackets to be installed into studs, beginning with the first shelf bracket spaced 16 inches to 31 inches from the left end wall and no more than 32 inches between each bracket. The last bracket will be located 16 inches to 31 inches from the right end wall. When the first stud is closer than 16 inches to the end wall, the first bracket will typically be installed into the second stud. For longer wall sections, the appearance of symmetry is easier to achieve. These examples show a wall-to-wall section that is 77 inches long. In this example, our first stud is 14 inches from the left wall. Following standard installation rules, the first bracket is located in the second stud. To install the second bracket, we look for the next stud 32 inches away and find it to be closer than 16 inches to the end wall. Therefore, we move back one stud and install the bracket, naturally creating symmetry. Here, the first stud is located 5 inches from the left wall. Following standard installation rules, the first bracket is located in the second stud and the brackets also appear symmetrical. For this example, the first stud is 16 inches from the left wall. If we follow standard installation rules, the first bracket will be in the first stud. In an L-shaped closet, this looks symmetrical. If this were a wall-to-wall closet, this would create a less symmetrical look. We can create better symmetry by moving the first bracket to the second stud within 32 inches from the left end wall. For shorter wall-to-wall sections, like this 63-inch area, stud location can make symmetry more difficult to achieve. Here, our first stud is 14 inches from the left wall. Following standard installation rules, the first bracket will be located in the second stud, creating a non-symmetrical look. In a wall-to-wall section only, we can move the first bracket to the stud if the distance to the second bracket is 32 inches or less, creating a more symmetrical look.